me.
We were level 3. Over-rhymey.
Ooh, nice. It was Swingout month, Swingout Plus month here at Uptown Swing, and we were really trying to focus on improving the quality of our swingouts. So we did a couple of things specifically. We made sure that the leaders were doing that same shape that they did earlier in level 2. So making sure that the leaders moved down this line and moved back down the line. That was very important. And then
in that same time, we were talking about having more consistent shoulders and upper body. So we're not dipping or turning or anything like that. We really are trying to kind of let our bodies track a little bit toward our lead and not turn our shoulders all around. And then we were working on the quality of our triple steps, and really we're talking about relocating your booty just a little bit. We all pointed at the back and everything like that. And then we were doing just some really nice triples. We were trying to keep our booty moving. And then we came back together.
Yep.
And we were working on where we're putting our triples down the line at the end of the swing out.
That's right, yeah. And so leaders were focusing on moving backwards down that line.
And we were too.
First step, 1, 2.
Not too fast. So we get to move down the line. And I think